Shit. Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy. Dear students, in the previous video, you all were told about informal letters. You all were told about the types of letters. First, that there are two types of letters. One is formal letter, that is called business letter too, and next one is informal letter or personal letters. Okay, and we are going to discuss personal letters now. What do you mean by personal letters? The letters which we write to our family members, our friends and our dear ones are called informal letters or personal letters. Okay, the language of these letters are a little informal, or you can say it becomes sometimes the language of these letters becomes intimate, as you share your personal feelings in these letters, and the length of these letters are longer than the official letters. So it is the very first letter which is given on your which is given in the book. Okay, it's the very first letter. You are Pratik, living at Mayur Vihar, New Delhi. You are hospitalized due to high fever. Your friend Neha visited you in the hospital and wished you speedy recovery. Write a letter thanking her for the visit. आपकी फ्रेंड नेहा आपसे मिलने आई थी और आपको स्पीडी रिकवरी के लिए विश करके गई है, तो आपको उसका थैंक करने के लिए लेटर लिखना है. और द पॉइंट्स विच मस्ट बी kept in mind while writing a letter, while writing this letter are: how did you feel at her visit? उसके आने पर कैसा लगा? Remember, I'll ask, these points must be asked, will be asked, okay, to you. Your present situation, आपकी present situation क्या है? Whether you would like to see her soon, क्या तुम उसे दोबारा मिलना चाहोगे, जल्दी देखना चाहोगे, जल्दी मिलना चाहोगे? Wishes for the future, and her wishes for your friend for the future, for her future. Okay, and I have written this letter. I'm going to explain it now, and next letters you have to write yourself, dear students. Remember this thing. So, firstly, it was told to you that your own address must be written at the top of the letter, and it must be at the left hand side of the letter. Okay, like C11 Aptara Apartments, Mayur Vihar, Phase 1, New Delhi. It is the writer's address, and it is written on the left hand side. Then you have to leave one line, and then date must be mentioned. Like I have written here this date, you have to write today's date. Don't forget to write it in your grammar book, okay? And to whom you are writing a letter, the name must be written just after the date, okay? And what was the first question which was asked? Like, how do you feel? How did you feel on her visit? उसके आने पर आपको कैसा लगा? I was touched with your gesture. तुम्हें thoughtful gestures to come and visit me. तुम्हारा इतना सोचना कि मुझसे मिलने आना मुझे सच में बहुत अच्छा लगा. I know you were busy due to your cousin's wedding. मैं जानता हूँ कि अपने कज़िन की वेडिंग की वजह से तुम बहुत बिजी थे. It has been pretty cold and therefore my recovery has taken so long. मुझे cold हुआ है और सच्ची में इसीलिए मेरी recovery को time लग रहा है. I've been feeling miserable. It was asked, the point was there in the points which I told you. These points must be kept in mind. This is one of them. Your present situation. The present situation is the writer of the letter is feeling miserable. I missed the chance to sit for the formal entrance to Cardiff University. जो Cardiff University का formal entrance था उसमें बैठने का chance भी मैंने गंवा दिया है. Okay, can you do me a favor? क्या तुम मुझ पे एहसान करोगे? And to write them asking for the other extension to send my thesis. कि मेरी thesis मुझे यूनिवर्सिटी में भेजनी है, उससे thesis के लिए दूसरी डेट पूछ लो, extend करवा दो, extension date पूछ लो. I want you. It was also asked that whether you want to see soon or not, see her soon or not. The answer of that question is mentioned here. I want to see you in the Nagpur once I am better. एक बार मैं ठीक हो जाऊँ, मैं तुम्हें नागपुर में मिलना चाहूँगा. I do wish you all for the best. I do wish you all the best for the forthcoming medical entrance examination. मैं भी तुम्हें आने वाले medical entrance examination के लिए अपनी शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूँ, wish करना चाहता हूँ. Do keep in touch. Okay, and this is the closing part, dear students. Okay, do keep in touch. Much love, बहुत सारा प्यार, प्रतीक. So I hope the format of the letter is clear to you now. And now if you still have any query, you may ask to me, you may call me, or you may write in the comment box, dear students. Okay.